What's up, everybody? Tomcat back here again. And you can't see her because she ran away. But if you remember my earlier videos with Mama Cat, first time I've seen her in a long time. So, yesterday I took you guys on a 7 o'clock walk with the cat. Or was that Monday? I don't remember. Today we're going for a 6 o'clock walk because I want to get a coffee. So I figured I'd take you for another walk. We can air things out and talk and just hang out. Nothing special, nothing fancy here. Just want to get another coffee. I hate spending money on coffee, but it's not like they're expensive. So that's fine. Expensive to the woods. So yeah, we're going to get a coffee. Why not? It's fun for me. And I get to talk to you guys about random crap. So I like that. So what's been going on with the cat? Well, I've mostly been in the woods past couple days. I did dip back in to charge up my phone, check on my wife, and then dip back out. That's kind of all this house is to me now. Just make sure my wife's okay, charge my stuff, and then GTFO again. It seems like that's the way I gotta be. Still looking in a couple places. It's just when you get a storage unit, U-Haul, move, gotta get 2 new IDs, that's $100. I mean, things just add up. I got money, but not that much right now for every little thing. Plus home prices here. It's really unbearable what they're charging. And there's not enough homes. Not enough homes either, they say. And property, you gotta have something to put on that property. Tomcat's not rich. I do okay, but I'm not rich. So, that's what's up with the cat. Trying to be at home as little as possible. Which means I can't get to my computer, which means I can't upload. Which means I can't work from home. So there's always something. The cat's got no charger out in the woods. I was going to do a YouTube short about that. Get one of those plug-in USB charger things. The 2-port ones, and stick it to a tree and do a YouTube short on it, but I seemed too hokey, so I didn't do it. So yeah, 6 a.m. Here we go. I'm going to make a part 2 because I don't want to wake these people up, okay? I love you guys. See you in a minute. Tomcat out. And we're back. I'm sorry, guys. I had to cut it because there was a lot of homes here that had their lights off. I'm a respectful kind of guy. I don't want to wake people up. That's just rude. And I come raw and real. But I try not to be rude. Sometimes it happens, though. But this time it didn't. So we're going the same place we went to. I can't remember if it was yesterday or not. I don't even know what day it is sometimes. I know it's Wednesday now, but when you spend as much time in the woods as I do, everything tends to blend together. You know I'm not no typical 9-to-5er. I like to be a little different. Waiting to go back to work on the good jobs. And I got a couple coming up, so that's good. But yeah, the cat, I don't go to this gas station over here because it's always too crowded, and I don't like to cross the streets. That's really what that is. Oh, Dollar General truck. Not really in the road, if you know what's up. Nobody's here to unload you, dude. I feel bad for this guy. He's going to be sitting for a minute. At least 2 hours. And that sucks. Feel bad for people when that happens. You know what I mean? It just is what it is, though. Nothing I can do about it. Well, have fun, my man. Hopefully getting paid by the hour. That's what's cool. Oh, McDonald's. Wonderful. Oh, whatever. I was trying to do a couple cool YouTube shorts yesterday. I saw one over here. There was all kinds of cool birds. Blackbirds and seagulls and all kinds of mix of birds. Just henpecking over here. It's something someone dropped. But some lady was doing exercises, walking. And I didn't want to film her. And then she scared the birds away. So, lost moment, that's fine. That lady seemed like she was nice. I don't like to cramp nobody's style. Man, that's cool. Man, is that cool, baby. Alright, I'm not going to make this too long. Like I said before. But I need to go get a coffee. This might be the last video I put up until I upload the rest of these. I got a lot to upload today, guys. So we'll call this Wednesday Morning with the Cat. And you already know. Yep. You already know. McDonald's, I ain't loving shit. You knew that was coming. Alright, y'all, I'm almost here. So I love you guys. Just wanted to go for a quick walk. Take it with. By the by, no big deal. So yeah. Alright. We're just about there. Gonna have to see if I can rent one of them U-Hauls. That's what's up. Alright. Here we go. I love you guys. We'll talk again soon. Walking through bullshit time. Alright, I love you guys. We're gonna get it tomorrow. Or later today. Tomcat out.